1, 2, 3, let's switch this up. Spin on my coupe with a top, riding it long, he up in the stars. He know I don't fuck with lames, now he calling cause he wants some top. Told him I ain't like that, he said he loves me and he likes my style. Said it's gonna be swollen for a while, maybe a bit, maybe for a while. I said, fuck you mean boy, man up and take this shit clean boy. Said you sublime boy, acting more tough when you cheat boy. Wilding up in my car, taking it fast, now he taking it far. He touching my body, now he catching feelings, we catching the vibe, now he touching the ceiling. He wanna ride now, he touching my thighs, pedal to the floor as he hits the gas. Swerving the lanes, fast and furious. One of the members had just fucking died. Just fucking died? He just fucking died. He loving my style and loving my swag. He said he never met no one like me. All probably bullshit, lies. Swerving the lane with my top in the cop. Now we parked in the spot with a cup in my hand, in his hand, in my hand, and his hand on my neck. Now we kiss and listen to our favorite jams. The vibes be tripping on some other shit. We pull around like we in some kind of crib. I pull around like he's some kind of whip. He holds me down like we in some other shit. Fucking and dipping and screw all that shit. Popping some shit, now we really in it. Feeling on him and he really love it. Seeing his exes make him wanna dip. Jimmy new to my ex on that shit. Eating some chicken wings, me on some shit. Sipping water out the arrow. Got my nigga feeling like he is a Cheerio. Honey nut, that's what he said to me. No cap, cookie crunch is my favorite cereal. Breathing and eating, we're sleeping and feeding. Shooting and fooling, we ain't Harry drooling. Just for the vibes, just for the feel. Just for the people who don't have a wheel. Just for the people who don't give a damn. Just for the people who wanna go ham. I saw my ex's new girl. Her ass was so small that it hurt my eyes. She heard it. Swerving on waves, swerving on paves, swerving on anyone who touches my thighs. Fuck. Ay, 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 I said, fuck you mean boy, mad if you take this shit clean boy. Said you sublime boy, acting all tough when you cheat boy. Wilding up in my car, taking it fast, now he taking it far. He touching my body, now he catching feelings, we catching the vibe and he touching the ceiling. Oh, I can't breathe.
Yeah, I went ahead and switched it. I think this looks way better. Way better. Although the vinyl did got sandwiched inside the blade, so if you look close, it's all fucked up from the sandwich indents. But minor detail, only I will see it. Still doesn't look too bad. Far away looks better. You won't see the indent. I can just replace that later, but most likely I'll replace this in next round. Only probably gonna last 6 months.